about Hyderabad.
Now, are you happy after getting Telangana?
Yes, sir.
Has the government taken any decision on Telangana?
You see, the party has given direction to the government, and the Congress Working Committee has passed the resolution. Now, further procedure will be done according to the Constitution of India.
असेंबली में रेजोल्यूशन पास हो जाएगा।
वो जो भी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में है लिखा है वो प्रोसीजर पूरा करेंगे।
Just one moment. Let's go one by one.
A to F जो काम आपको दिए गए ये सब पूरा करने के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा सर?
कौन सा?
ये आपको जो आपने जो अपने प्रेस रिलीज में दिया है कांग्रेस वर्किंग कमेटी के डिसीजन के बाद आपको जो टास्क दिया गया ABCD करके F तक दिया, तो ये सब पूरा करने के लिए आपको कितना टाइम लगेगा सर?
तेलंगाना के बारे में हमारे को लगेगा उसका प्रोसीजर रहता है। एक तो इसके बाद कैबिनेट नोट बनाई जाएगी, कैबिनेट नोट के बाद कैबिनेट ने निर्णय लेना होता है, उसमें कमेटी अपॉइंटमेंट करने का निर्णय यदि कैबिनेट ले ले तो वो ले लेती है। और जो इश्यूज की सूचना हमारे डायरेक्शन दी है उस इश्यू पर चर्चा करके फिर कैबिनेट पे नोट भेजी जाती है और उसके बाद फिर राष्ट्रपति जी को वो नोट कैबिनेट का निर्णय भेजा जाता है। राष्ट्रपति फिर स्टेट को वो भेजते हैं। उसके बाद वो एक डेफिनेट पीरियड उसको मुकर्रर किया जाता है। उस पीरियड में अकॉर्डिंग टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वो राष्ट्रपति जी के पर ना उसमें यस और नो या उसका जो भी है एक्सप्लेनेशन आता है, उसके बाद राष्ट्रपति जी पार्लियामेंट को भेज देते हैं और उसके बाद वो पार्लियामेंट में पास होता है और तभी वो स्टेट एग्जिस्टेंस में आ जाता है। यूजुअली उसे 8-9 महीने लगते हैं, लेकिन इसमें हम कम टाइम लेने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। 5.5 से 6 महीने तक का टाइम, कम भी उससे भी कम हो सकता है यदि जल्द कार्रवाई हो जाए।
Just 1 minute.
Yes.
One minute, sir. One minute, sir. Let us finish the questions on Telangana, please. Let Minister answer questions on Telangana. We'll come to others.
As you see, there are not only Vidarbha, there are so many states and so many organizations are demanding different state bifurcations. But as far as Vidarbha was concerned, it was one of the issue which was taken along with the resolution of Andhra Pradesh. But the issue of Andhra was from 1951 to 53, and then 56 it came into force, and from 56 it was agitating, and then it was the oldest issue, thereby Telangana was formed.
Anita, just a moment, please. Please wait for me to call you. Yes, Anita,
I
please.
just want to know, when will the bill come to the parliament? Will it come in this session or the next session?
Not this session. I don't think this session, because it is ensuing on 5th of August. But next session it will come.
You have a question on Telangana? Yes, please. Just a moment. We are coming.
Sir, after the Telangana announcement, various groups from the northeast specifically and North Bengal have already met you. Now there is a threat, that they would cut off supplies, railways, roads. How is the center preparing for this?
I appeal to all those who are demanding for the new states that they should not take such view. They can agitate democratically, peacefully, and the government of India has always listened to them. there is not only one state, but the cases of bifurcation. Uttar Pradesh 4, Maharashtra, Northeast about 5 to 6, then West Bengal, and other 1 or 2 states they are demanding. So there are many people are demanding this. But I again appeal to them, they can agitate peacefully. I appeal through this conference to all of them that they should maintain peace, and by democratical way they can put their say before the government.
Yes, please. Just a moment, sir. Just a moment. One moment, sir, coming.
Usually,
Please.
the convention, the tradition, or the convention is government will start the process of bifurcating or creating a new state only after it receives the recommendation from the existing assembly.
It is.
Isn't it? Don't you think that you are creating a new precedent by taking the decision in the CWC and the cabinet and initiating the process of bifurcation
Not at all.
without taking the opinion of the Andhra Assembly?
It is not at all. This issue was already discussed in Andhra Assembly once. The Chief Minister had already discussed this issue, and the committee of then under the Minister, Mr. Rachaya, now the Governor, was appointed. But there are such cases, you see, those states, they send their resolution, and it is pending years to year in the government of India. The case which was referred by my friend here of Vidarbha, the case has been pending here for last 30-35 years. They have made resolution twice, thrice.
Yes. I'm coming that side. Just, please, I am looking, please.
Yes, sir. There are 2 parts in my question. First one is, can you say that during these 10 years, the Hyderabad will not be a union territory and it will be only a joint capital? Can you say that? And second question is, can you say that it will not be a Royal Telangana, only Telangana with only 10 districts? Can you clarify on this?
You see, the direction that has been given by the working committee, it has been very specifically said that for the 10 years, the Hyderabad will remain as a capital of both these things.
So it will not be.
I said so.
Sir, second question.
No, we'll come back.
No, madam, I have asked 2 parts.
Sir?
10 districts of Telangana. It will not be a Royal Telangana.
Whatever I said, you see, I have said.
No, sir, I am
Nothing more.
I am not asking about Hyderabad, sir. I am asking about how many districts.
Yes, that is what direction that they have given. I am working on that.
Sir, after the Telangana announcement, violent agitation has started in Karbi Anglong area and Bodoland area, and Torun Gogoi, Chief Minister of Assam, has demanded additional forces from you. Are you going to honor?
I am aware of it. I mentioned, you see, there are many, these people and associations are agitating, not only Karbi Anglong, but this morning, Kuch Bihar people also had met me this morning. So Northeast, there are, you see, in one state, there are so many Bodoland, Kuch Bihar, Karbi Anglong. In one state, 5 divisions that you wanted to do. You see, we have to be very careful on such things, but their demand is there. We can listen. It is not that government has to totally neglect it. Whoever comes here, we have to listen carefully. It is their genuine demand. If the demand of the people, you see, is workable, whenever it is workable, government decides. In the past also, this Uttarakhand, then Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Bihar, this was done earlier also.
ये तेलंगाना के बारे में कैबिनेट नोट कब जाएगा?
वो अभी तो रिजोल्यूशन हो गया है.
Any proposal for second constitution of second SRPC?
अभी तो फिलहाल नहीं उसकी चर्चा.
Yes, Neetu.
Sir, the message that has gone out with Telangana is that whichever state agitates the most will get the state, because Vidarbha, the demand from Vidarbha has been much older than Telangana.
You see, the formation of the Maharashtra was in 1960, and Vidarbha joined in 1960. So this Telangana demand was much earlier up to that.
No, but the message is that if you...
I replied to your question.
Yes, please.
Sir, I'll stick to Telangana. Sir, you have formed a state after there was reorganizations in the past 56 and 66. When the states were rather on linguistic lines, in this case, the reorganization is not on linguistic lines. Have you set a new precedent, and will you consider further demands which are not on linguistic lines?
You see, earlier the states were bifurcated with the linguistic and some of the customs and tradition also. But now I don't think that would be a basis for that. Yes.
Home Ministry had apprehension about this kind of situation which is arising to this. And आपने अपने कैबिनेट नोट में भी इसको बिल्कुल वायबल नहीं बताया था फाइनेंशियली, पॉलिटिकली, हर हालत में. तो ऐसा क्या कंपल्शन है जो ये बात जो जनता के बीच में हो रही है कि ये
इसकी
पॉलिटिकल कंपल्शन
पहले कभी नहीं गई थी. इसकी कैबिनेट नोट पहले कभी नहीं गई थी.
Yes, you had a question. I'm just...
Sir, as far as the Andhra is concerned, Simandra region politicians, especially from your party, they are tendering resignations today. So what is your action plan? Will you go back like 2009 or you go ahead?
We are aware of it, but the party has taken decision. Yes, that's the reason they are hesitating. That's why I am making appeal to them that you can hesitate, you can make your demand, you see, peacefully in democratical way.
Sir, the people